The following episode of Dad vs. Daughter was made possible by a contribution from Game Salute. Hello and welcome to another special unboxing episode of Dad vs. Daughter. I'm Tim the Dad, and today I'm going to be opening up Farlight from Game Salute. Now, this is a game where we're going to be building spaceships, we're going to be collecting resources, and we're going to be doing some bidding. So let's open it up and take a look at and see what's inside. When I got Farlight, they also included this launch pack of additional cards. So let's open that up first and see what's inside of that. So we got we got 3 smaller cards here. There are actually 4. Like little spaceship parts. And then these bigger cards. Colonize Callisto, Perpok Moonbase, Supply Station, or Supply Mars Station, Vesta Mining Enterprise. Artwork looks really cool on this. Mercury Polar Base, Ganymede Oceanography, and that just is the launch pack card. Alright, so show you the back of the box here. See, it says it's a streamlined game of spaceship building, resource gathering, and bidding wars. So let's open this up. Okay, have our rule book got bent, but then again the box was a little smushed. So our components, setup, game round, assembly, round reset, and opposition research. And then a little reference there. So look at the game board here. Not a real big board, but pretty cool artwork on there. Slots for the cards. And just a plain black backing on there. And we got punch outs. Oh, cool dice. Look at that. Almost like dice from the sun with that mixture of like orange and yellowy. They're kind of small, but I like the colors. Get a good close-up look of those, nice and shiny. And then we have a small amount of cards. So, incoming image file, Farlight Station, the winner. So when you win the game, have your picture taken with the back of this card and announce your triumph on social media. And it shows you where you can tag Game Salute on either Twitter or Facebook. So, a bunch of different cards here. So I do like games that have dice. So I really like the artwork on this. This is really nice. Almost looks like Thunderbird 2. And then we have a small deck of cards, and that's really it. You can see the insert of the box there. You can see this is pretty good size deck. Kind of small and hard to read text there, not really wild about that, but I think that's just kind of flavor text. Don't really think we're gonna have to worry about that too much. We can see it, you know, the number there, nice and clear. These looks like different parts of your spaceship that you're building. And it's been a while since I've actually looked to see what this game was all about, so I'm not really remembering much on there. You can see a lot of the same parts there you can put out. So you can see in that launch pack we got some new cards for this and some new for the others. But that really is Farlight. Let me punch out all the components and give you a look at all those together. Okay, tell you what components we have. We have 20 of the engine dice. We have 57 part cards. We have 6 primary core cards. We have a first player token and 7 of the industry award cards. We have our crew tokens. We have our science tokens. We have bidding tokens here, and we have mission cards. So that is Farlight, and we will catch you guys next time. If you would like to support us, you can visit patreon.com/dadvdaughter.
Like and follow us on Facebook to stay current on our show schedule, sneak peeks at future shows, and to interact with us.